Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Trinity Stamps. Today I'm creating 2 Distress Ink Smooshed Hanukkah cards, so let's get started. First I'm creating the background panels for both cards. I have an A2 panel of white cardstock and a piece of scrap plastic that's a little larger than an A2 size. I'm actually using leftover stamp packaging, but you could use acetate or any other plastic you've got. I place it over the A2 panel so I can use it as a guide for where to place my ink colors. Then I smush Distress ink in Blueprint Sketch, Tumbled Glass, and Chipped Sapphire onto the plastic, alternating the colors. I spritz the inks with water and use my fingers to soften any of the hard edges and kind of blend the colors together. Once I'm happy with the way it looks, I spritz my white A2 panel and then carefully flip the plastic over and lightly smush the ink onto the panel. I like to wet the cardstock panel before smushing because it allows the inks to blend more. If you smush onto dry cardstock, you'll get more defined spots of color with less blending. I lightly press my fingers onto the plastic and then carefully peel it up. At this point, without re-inking, I press the plastic randomly over the panel to add darker blotches. Once the panel dries, I repeat the process with more ink. You can do this as many or as few times as you want until you get the effect you're looking for. I like to alternate between smushing the plastic fully onto the panel and just dabbing spots of ink. Next, I dry the panel with my heat gun and set it aside while I create a second panel. I usually like to make more than one so that I can decide which one I prefer later. Thankfully, I actually end up liking both panels, so I made 2 cards today. For the second panel, you can see that I went a bit heavier on the ink, resulting in more defined colors. I let that panel dry as well and then spritzed both panels with shimmer spray. While they were drying, I die cut the menorah from matte gold, gold glitter, yellow, and white cardstocks. I'm using this piece of black cardstock to just put my pieces together so I can see what it will look like. My first card is a shaker card, and I start by creasing the edges of a shaker pocket and peeling off the top protective plastic layer. Then I remove the adhesive backing on one side and place my panel inside. I adhere the adhesive to my panel and then repeat the process on 2 more sides. Before sealing my last side, I add my shaker bits. I'm using a variety of different types of bits to create some interest. Once I fill my shaker, I seal up the final side. Next, I build my menorah on top of the shaker pocket and adhere it with liquid adhesive. To finish the card, I add the Happy Hanukkah sentiment die cut from gold sparkle and navy blue cardstock. For my next card, I stamp images from Shinome onto white cardstock and color them with Copic markers. Unfortunately, my camera shifted a little, so some of the coloring is slightly off camera, but hopefully you'll get a good idea of what I did. Once I finish coloring, I die cut the image with the coordinating die. Off camera, I also stamp a sentiment from Shinome onto black cardstock and heat emboss it with white embossing powder. I trim down my smooshed panel and adhere it to a white card base. Then I add my colored image and sentiment to finish the card. I love how the ink smooshing does a lot of the work for me on both of my cards. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Trinity Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!